Plan your next corporate event or private charter with Watermark aboard one of our many motor yachts. Leaving from Annapolis or Baltimore, the Chesapeake Bay is your oyster. Our highly experienced professional staff will cater to your party's every need. Lady Sarah is a custom-built power catamaran designed to escort your guests with style and speed. The enclosed, climate-controlled main deck of Lady Sarah features rich tones of dark blue leather and cherry accents, and a fully stocked bar. The partially covered upper deck has built-in bench seating around the perimeter, as well as tables and chairs in the center.
One of the biggest benefits was watching our remote team members. You could see everybody having these conversations, different departments collaborating, everybody bonding on this great corporate event in a way that we don't normally get to do in or out of the office. The staff was wonderful. We enjoyed food and beverages and, of course, the best that Annapolis has to offer. So this was the perfect way to get all of our teams together in our hometown of Annapolis.
Learn more online at yachtchartersonthebay.com.